Welcome back. In this exercise, we will apply flow control to text processing. Our goal is to write a program that accepts a word from the user and counts how many vowels it contains. This involves iterating over a string and using membership operators. 1. Initialization. First, we define the word we want to analyze. Then, we define a string containing all possible vowels, both lowercase and uppercase, to act as our reference. Finally, we initialize a counter variable to 0. 2. Iteration and checking. We loop through every character in the word. Inside the loop, we check if the current character exists within our vowels reference string using the in operator. If it does, we increment our counter. 3. Displaying the result. Once the loop finishes checking every character, the count variable holds the total number of vowels found. To summarize, this pattern of iterating, checking membership, and incrementing a counter is an approach for analyzing the content of strings in Python. Our next lecture, 0918. More programs handle employee details. See you there.